You know the background photos that they have that it says like my name and then
Yep,
customers. Can I change that?
you absolutely can. Yeah, that's just our default. So just share with us what you want that background to be, and then we'll get that swapped out.
Okay. What would you
Um,
say is the best way to create one if I've never created one? Just
Canva.
Canva? Okay.
Yeah, just find a stock photo out of Canva, throw it in the background, put your logo on it. Choose a color that kind of matches your kind of purple logo feel, and then yeah, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay, on Canva. Got it.
Um, where is this thing? All right, share.
Phil, do you know? I mean, this may be this. Do you know if well, you do have an agency, so if we have a webinar platform within GHL to build webinars out,
Sweet.
do
Oh,
we?
you asked me.
Yeah.
You asked me, is that a thing?
Is that a thing?